there came peals of thunder, rumblings, flashes of lightning, and an earthquake. And I saw the 7 angels who stand before God, and to them were given 7 trumpets. And another angel came, and he was given much incense, that he should offer it with the prayers of all the saints. And the angel took the censer, filled it with fire, and hurled it to the earth. And there came peals of thunder, rumblings, flashes of lightning, and an earthquake. After the first angel sounded his trumpet, and there came hail and fire mixed with blood. 1/3 of the earth, trees, and all the green grass were burned up